Hey everyone, I'm Matthew Francis, and I'm going to show you how to make some easy pumpkin pie squares. So the first thing you want to do is make your crust. And this crust is basically kind of like an oatmeal shortbread crust almost. What you want to be doing is, instead of making a homemade pie dough, this is way simpler because all you have to do is mix it into a bowl and put it into the pan. So first, to make this crust, what you want to do is get a little bowl and you're going to add in some softened butter and brown sugar. So this process is called creaming, where you take sugar and you pound it into butter with an electric mixer. And you're gonna go around the bowl until you get all of that sugar perforated into the butter. And what you wanna have is some soft, sweet, pillowy butter. Once your butter and sugar is fully creamed together, then add in your flour and you're going to mix it all together again with your hand mixer. Once you've mixed in your flour with your creamed butter and sugar, then you can add in your rolled oats. You want to take a spatula and just gently fold that together so you get almost like a pie crumble-like texture. Once your rolled oats are all mixed in, move it aside and pour it into a 9x13 baking dish and use like a little flat-bottomed glass or a measuring cup and press it down into the bottom of the baking dish. What this is going to do is take your kind of loose dough, pack it together so that way when you bake it, it can get nice and crunchy and crispy and delicious in the oven. So once you've pressed down all of the dough into the baking dish, put it into your preheated oven and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown. Next, we're gonna make our pumpkin pie batter. So to a large bowl, add your eggs, your sugar, and you're gonna take your mixer again and cream those together. The mixture should become kind of fluffy, it should become kind of glossy, and you should get a little bit of air into your beaten eggs. Next, add in some of the pumpkin pie puree from a can as well as some evaporated milk, and you're going to use your hand mixer to beat that together until it's nice and smooth. Once you've mixed the pie batter together, let's add in our spices. We have some salt, some ground cinnamon, ground ginger, and ground cloves. Mix all the spices in, and then take the bowl and you're going to scoop out all of that batter on top of your cooled baked crust. Then once you've scooped all of your pumpkin pie batter on top of your crust, then take your spatula and spread out the batter to make sure it's as thin as you can get it. Then take your baking dish and put it into the oven and bake for 20 more minutes until the pumpkin pie batter has set and you have some perfect pumpkin pie bars. These pumpkin pie bars are delicious, very simple, and they give you all the cravings of pumpkin pie, but you don't have to do all of the work. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to Allrecipes. We make a ton of helpful videos that are going to be so useful for you in your kitchen. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any of the great videos that we do make. And down in the comments below, tell me how many of these pumpkin pie bars you could probably eat in one sitting. I can do 3, and I'm curious how much you could down. Let me know. And until next time, I'm Matthew Francis. Bye-bye.